Hey guys, I just wanted to show the latest thing I've made. So I have an H2D there and two P1S there. I regularly print a lot of replacement Xbox Series X shells, which require all three of these devices to print different parts of it. You can just see a selection of bits and bobs there. It can be a bit of a pain going around and selecting everything. So I've made an MCP server that lets me control them. So you'll see all the lights are off and they're just waiting at the moment. I've got a Telegram server here, so a Telegram MCP bridge, which I can use to say, turn on the 3D printer's lights. And what you'll see is that's going to send off. You see it says it's typing. And if you look at the devices in the background, the printers, what you'll see, their lights have just come on. So the really nice thing is, rather than having to set that file to be printed on that Xbox and a file to be printed on that Xbox and a file to be printed on that Xbox, even though they're different names, I can use the power of AI and just say, print the Xbox file on each of the respective printers and let me know the file name once you've started it. So that's now going to go and find in either the cache or the USB drive that's plugged into the H2D. And you'll probably hear the H2D start first because that will be the first one in the list. There you go. So it's saying it's going to check the cache because I've done this previously. So it's got all three files, starting them now. In a minute you'll hear the chimes of the H2D. If you watch the H2D here, that is now printing a file. So we've got full control. The MCP is on GitHub and I will link to it so you can see all the tools available. You can set nozzle speed safely. The main feature of this one over other MCPs is the farm element, being able to control multiple printers. And I think it's working really well. So this one is now kicked in, and if we just go to the relevant menu part, we'll get there. There you go, that's now printing Xbox V2 case. And then this one, I'm guessing will start any second now. We'll just whiz over. I can see now that it says it is printing as well. So there you go, MCP voice controlled Telegram bot Bambu printers.